This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Gorgeous cottage-style ranch with great floor plan. Fresh paint and new carpet, large family room with built-ins, formal dining room, impressive foyer, eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances, sunroom with fireplace, primary suite with large walk-in closet and private bath with dual vanities, garden tub, and separate shower. Fourth bedroom also has private bath. Large backyard, covered front porch, and two-car garage, established neighborhood with easy access to shopping and dining, convenient to I-664. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.